Welcome back, ELOC Nation. Nearly Natural has been providing faux flowers for over 75 years. Perfect for your office, a kid's room, kitchen nooks, or bathrooms. Oh, these are nice. Really cute and everything. Not a bad price tag either. Very stylish. Again, great for office or home. These pre-planted container combos are perfect for beginner gardeners. All the hard work is done for you. All you have to do is just add water. Care instructions on the back of the box. Really pretty arrangements. Oh my goodness. Stop, just stop it. Home Depot had the nerve today. Look at all the grapes, purple grapes and green grapes. Figs, I love figs. I have a brown turkey fig, but of course, I want more. Yummy kiwi, summer salads, berries, antioxidants. Oh, strawberries. I love strawberries. Strawberries are one of my favorite fruits. Get in here, you guys, before it's all gone. Let's see, there are 10 strawberry plants in there. That's a good deal. Oh, what's that? Blackberries. All the berries. Blueberries. Get in here, you guys. I want one of everything. Let me stand back. Let me stand back so you can see it all. Potatoes. Oh my gosh. Home fried potatoes for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Yeah, I am putting one of these in the cart. Yes, $3.98. Yeah, look at that. Oh, they're already sprouting. Yeah, I've got to get these home and into the ground. I've got to check my soil. Got to make sure my soil is not frozen and fluffy. Okay, what we have here. All right, another package of seed potatoes. Yeah, you're going in the cart as well. Look at already sprouting. Yukon Gold. Why are you all looking in my cart? The nerve. Okay, what else here? Sweet potatoes. I just recently started a sweet potato for some slips. Purple. I love the color, but I'm not ready. I'm not ready for purple potatoes yet. I don't know. One of these days. But onions, yes. Yes, grow your own. Grow your own. Grow your own. You know exactly what's in the soil. Okay, there are tons of onions. Tons of onion bulbs in here. 60 onion sets. Onions. Gotta love the onions. I'm an onion girl. Garlic and onions in just about everything I eat. How about you guys? Look at all of these onions. I am just so excited for the spring garden season. Asparagus, another one of my favorites. Now, I have asparagus seeds at home that I will be planting, but I think I might grab a couple of these starts just to start it off. Just to get a head start, I should say. Yeah, more onions. Check this out, guys. And I did grab that bag of garlic too. Yes, I did. I had the nerve. Okay, I had to get from over there. I'm already in big trouble. Your girl's cart is loaded. Ooh, what do we have here? Flowers. Oh, flowers, my first love. And the first things I ever planted were flowers. Now there are so many flowers here to choose from. I'm feeling a little overwhelmed, just a little overwhelmed, but somebody hold my hand. Somebody hold my hand. Hold my hand. Dahlias, there's just so many. Let's look. Let's look. Beautiful. All of the different colors and varieties. Lilies, one of my other favorites. Just beautiful, beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wallet, don't fail me now. Credit card, don't fail me now. I need you. Look at this. I want it all. I want it all. But if I want my marriage to stay intact, I'm going to have to say no to some of these. Choose wisely, grasshopper. Choose wisely. Okay, I've got to think about what I already have. Maybe one or two of what I want. Something new, something borrowed, something blue. Why am I thinking wedding stuff? We're dealing with bushes here. Okay, this is what I got. I had to grab and run, grab and run. All right, let's head into the plant section. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at these large, green, healthy leaves. $29.98. Tropical plant. That's gorgeous for the price. Look at how mature this plant is. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I would love to have my home just surrounded with plants. Oh, this is gorgeous. Love this. Oh, that plant makes me happy. $29.98. Another tropical plant. I'm wondering how my 3 cats would feel about these plants. They'd probably tear these plants up, as they've done some of my other plants. Sadly. Oh, this is gorgeous. I've always wanted one of these. One of these days, yeah. The Wandering Jew. Oh, seeds, seeds, seeds. Be still, my heart, be still. Calm down. It is that time. The seeds are in, people. The seeds are in. Flower seeds, herbs. They are well stocked. Veggies. They've got it all. They've got it all. Yes. Cilantro, chamomile. I see. Carrots, cantaloupe. Cucumbers, lettuce, pumpkin, squash. You name it. Lots of summer vegetables, zucchini, squash, corn, watermelon, all the good stuff. Germination kits, seed starting pots. ELOC Nation, I hope that you guys enjoyed this garden center tour, the first of many to come this season. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.